Okay, now that you know how to search for open educational resources from the open educational repositories, let's look on to how we can be able to search for images. Now, suppose you're teaching any subject, be it biology or chemistry, or be it any art subject or any business subject, for example, and you want to add images onto your presentation or your lesson where you're going to present. Now, how do you get this image, which is really open, which is not licensed, which is open licensed, but which is free generally to be able to use for your course? Now, here are the steps. So by the end of this session, you should be able to, first of all, locate the relevant repositories for searching for images that you can use for your course. But again, you'll also be able to search for relevant images that you might be able to use for your own course. Now, how to do this? Here is the demonstration. So download the images, free images. There are a number of free websites that you can use to download the images. One is what you call freepik.com, of which when you click on freepik.com, this interface will open. And you have to search your image from this search bar. Let's say you are teaching biology, you want to search about human anatomy. So human anatomy. So by clicking on search, you should be able to get images of human anatomy, which you can use, which are free and which you can use in your teaching. So let's say you want to take this image, click on the image here, the image will open, and then you click on download, the free download, and then the image will be downloaded. You can see the image is being downloaded. So from there you go to your computer, click on here, and then this is the human anatomy. So copy this and put into your presentation. That is one. Another free tool is what we call the Freepik, the Pexels. Pexels, you see this is Pexels, of which again you do the same. You're searching about maybe human heart, for example. You click on search, the human heart diagram will come. So you might be able to get human heart in different ways, in different dimensions, in different locations, and in different orientations, but you'll be able to pick up anything you would like to have for your lesson. Just look into the picture and see which picture is appropriate for your work, and then use that as the part. For example, if I take this image, the human heart will come. So you can download for free, click on download for free, and use it in your lesson. You need to put some details, but you can start your free trial as well, depending on what you want to do. So that is tool number 2. Another tool is what you call the Pixabay. Pixabay is also another tool that we get, which gives you images in the form of pictures. For example, you want to search about Tanzania, or you want to search anything about Kilimanjaro mountain, for example. So click on Kilimanjaro mountain. So the picture of Kilimanjaro mountain will come. And then you can select anyone you want to use, for maybe this one, and then click on the image, download. Here you have option to download, and then you can use it into your presentation or your teaching. You can download in different sizes. Maybe I want this big size, and then say download. So it will need you to put your username and password, which is okay for you because it's free download, and then you log in, you download. Another way of doing this is to take a snapshot of the image without downloading. So for example, here I will use my snipping tool, click on the snipping tool, and then highlight the area you want to select as an image, and then you copy your image and put into your presentation. That's all. There are also other tools like free images, which you have a search bar. Again, you do the same. Other tools like OpenClip, you can do the same with the same technique. There is also Unsplash, which you can also do the same by searching into this search bar. Thank you.